Hey guys, how you doing? It is time for me to water my houseplants. So I thought, what better way than to do that together with you guys here? So I'm going to see how I can do with, I need maybe 3 hands, but I've only got 2. So we'll see how we do. But we're about to water my houseplants because I've had a bit of a tidy up out here. Done some repotting, done some kind of changes around. Actually just bought some new plants as well. So plenty of plants now all around the apartment. And I'm going to give you a little watering tour. So there you go. I'm going to spin you guys around and then we can see what we do. Now, a lot of you have been like, oh my God, this is 36 floors up. That looks so scary. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I guess it is to a degree. But, you know, like some places are different to other places that we live in, aren't they? So, you know, and other people were moaning about there's not much green. Well, I'm not sure where you'd have green on balconies, but kind of, you know, give them a bit of credit for green roofs that you've got down there. Lots of greenery. It can be really easy to kind of have an impression of a different place, but like you need to really look at it. So you can see apartments there. This is China. In the background, in the mountains, is Hong Kong. So first of all, this plant is just not looking happy at all. I really don't know what the problem is. I think maybe too high up, maybe a bit wind damaged as well, but really not happy, and I can never remember its name either. So there you go. Not much love from me for that one. But I have potted up some coleus that I got from Thompson & Morgan. So really, really nice plants, 5 different colours. I brought them in my case, but don't tell anybody. Generally, yes, of course, you shouldn't move plants around, but if you have, you know, a few plants here and there and you get through, then you get through. So there you go. So there you go. Live filling up of water here. So this really is an action Insta Live for you guys. So this lemon hasn't really got much love from me, so I'm going to give it the most water I've given it for a long time. And these lemons are actually on it when we bought it. So I'm not sure I'm really that skilled at growing lemons, but I'm not sure it's a true lemon. The leaves don't look quite right for that to be a true lemon there, but we are giving it a lot of water here live. And I probably need to give it a bit more care, maybe a top mulch as well from fresh compost, because all you've got on top there is just sweepings really. So I'm really embarrassed about that. This Sarracenia is very, very happy. Gave it quite a bit of water yesterday. They like to be very, very moist and they like to be in sunny positions. So that one is super happy. Look at that. Although the flower has aborted, I'm not too sure why that happened. Those are some dry looking lemons. I know, Dominic. Those literally been ripe on there for more than a year. And I haven't really done much to them. Fake plant at the back. So arrest me for that one. So we've got those new coleus there. We've also got some new sedum sun sparklers, which are from the US, bred in the US as well. So 3 different colours there. They're soon going to outgrow that container, but I don't mind because it proves to me that they're growing quickly. A few succulents here. We're going to give them a tiny bit of water because succulents and cactus don't really need that much. So in here, we've got some Haworthia, some Gasteria, some, I can never remember the name of cactus. So some cactus, more Echeveria, some more there. And this one, is that a sort of euphorbia? I think it is. So that is my cute little cactus arrangement. Look at how that Sarracenia just glows. Gorgeous, isn't it? So, some plants that I just bought at the plant shop are here. So I just bought Monstera obliqua, Sansevieria and a Peperamia, and they're down in this basket container here, but obviously this needs a saucer because you can't have this getting wet all the time. So I put a saucer in there on a raised platform and then literally just place these on top like this. So it's the easiest display ever because, you know, these plants, they won't really want to grow together long term, so I'm going to keep them in the container like this for the time being and just fill the water up into the saucer. So there you go. Really, really smart arrangement there with the Monstera, Peperamia and the Sansevieria. So pretty smart, huh? We're also going to give the Zamia some love. This is the ZZ plant. So a little bit of love there. It is a plant that's pretty easy to grow, grows in most shady corners. Probably if you're looking at a house that hasn't got any windows in a room, that would be a great plant for you to grow there. So another live filling up of a watering can. What glamour this is. Fittonia that I planted up in a little heart-shaped container. Japanese style toilet. Oh, I'm really going to get my phone wet here, aren't I? It's going to go so wrong. So tiny bit of water there. There isn't any drainage, but I've put some gravel in the bottom, so it will help it out a little bit, I hope. These are rooting. My philodendron, I think, and pothos. So they're looking good. I love growing flowers in water. Shower's looking cool, actually. Look at that variegated pothos, some golden pothos, air plants down there that just get a little spray whenever we're in the shower, and some dracaena growing in water. Got a bit of a cool cactus to show you here. But I think something's, like when I bought it, the spines were already being chewed off a little bit, which is a bit annoying. And like, what creature would be brave enough to chew on a cactus, for God's sake, honestly? But it's pretty cool how it's planted into this container, isn't it? So, looks very nice. Look at that. Yeah, I know it's not very good long term, but you know, we'll enjoy it while we can. Here, Guzmania, which I'd have to actually left it dry for so long. So I gave that a lot of water today, hopefully bring it back to life. Quite embarrassed at how I've treated that plant, actually. So then we also now have this little boy. So this is a Ficus lyrata. Again, this is quite short term. This is going to need repotting. And look, it's been underplanted with these tiny seedlings. I think they're cactus seedlings. It's bloody a little bit crazy and not going to last a couple of months or more. And I'm going to try and water it really carefully now. Oh my God, it's all gone over the side. Oh, shit. Okay, so this is why plants like this are really bloody difficult to care for. So, you naughty boy. Some more philodendron in water and the cool Muji wall container as well. So, what else we got to water? Oh, we've got my little succulent collection here. The aloes are doing pretty well. So, don't need much water. But look, I picked up a greenovia today. So, just giving these a little bit of water. Hopefully it won't drain through too much because I've got a wooden base there. Honestly, I'm the world's worst gardener sometimes, sorry. And this Hoerfia seems to be etoliated, but I don't know why, because it's in a really sunny position, this one. So, yeah, so this is a bit of a succulent buffet here. My Hernia, Greenova, which I just bought at the flower shop. So that's really bloody cute. Hoerfia, again, a bit etoliated. Not sure why. If anyone's got any advice, let me know. And also some more Hoerfia, some Echeverias as well. So lovely little medley of succulents there. And then, I'm going to show you my, Pardon Canda. Look at these, guys. I've been picking lots of flowers in the hedgerows and stuff. Or more from public parks and gardens. Look. Beautiful, huh? So that is Bellum Canda. That is the leopard lily. Looking pretty ace. And I've made a new arrangement here. Look at this. Ooh, flash. It's all dried bits. I think this is dried ivy, gypsophila, leptospermum. Yeah, and some live pothos. Now here we got the jasmine sambac. Those flowers have fallen off now. Oh my gosh. So give that a little bit of water. It's a self-watering container, so that makes it a little bit easier. Also give a bit of water to this aloe. Cut some yellow leaves off there earlier. And this ficus. A little bit of water in there. I like these containers, really nice ceramic-y. Francesca the ficus is doing pretty well too, so we'll give her a tiny bit of water. Just keep her happy. She's happy. She's happy as Madonna. Oh, I'm Madonna. You think I'll buy Vogue? I just got it free in the airport. Then, just have a little look. I just picked these up and I've got those in their lovely display there. Some more philodendron. And I put some plants on the balcony. I'm hoping that they don't topple off and kill someone. So fingers crossed they don't. Some pothos here and some more of that baby coleus there. So everything is looking pretty swell. And you guys have joined me on my watering expedition. So What am I doing? I'm tipping out the rest of the water, putting that on there. Then I was just going to do a little bit of spraying just to finish off so the plants are happy. So some of these plants like to have a little bit of misting so it gives them a humid environment. But to be honest with you, it's really fucking hot in China anyway, so everything is doing fairly well. So a little bit of air for those. Oh, forgot the calatheas, but I watered these the other day and they don't need very much. They look really cute, don't they? What does need a bit of a spray is this Muji container. So that's the Muji wall planter. So excellent. So thank you for joining me on my little plant watering expedition. I haven't spilt too much water around the place. But yeah, so thanks for joining me and motivating me and making me get this done, because you've got to water your houseplants, you know. So, has Francesca had her leaves dusted? No, Roger, never. Maybe I should do that next. Vincenza is envious. Wow. If you've got any questions about the plants that I'm growing, then I will help you out if I can, if I'm not too busy looking at how my beard looks in the mirror. It's not a mirror, it's camera. So anyway, I'm going to sign off because I like to upload this video to my Facebook page as well, and if that is really long, then I think those guys will complain, because, you know, want to keep you all happy in a number of different ways, and I've got to trim off that little corner of the beard. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.